Here we are, driving down the highway at 110 kilometers per hour. There goes the police. Whoa. Why don't you have your seatbelt on, Christina?
No.
Oh, what did we hit? We jumped over something on the road then. And when you're driving along the freeway, you should always look in front of you where you're going. You should never look behind for long periods of time. And if you've seen in the movies, they always take their hands off the steering wheel and look at the person next to you, which you should never do. Yes. Make sure the policeman doesn't see you without your seatbelt on. Ooh.
Can I try my nose?
Look out, here's some potholes. Quick, here's some potholes. Oh, it's a bumpy road. What are you eating, Tweets?
I'm eating yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Make sure. Go back to front. Hopefully when it gets uploaded to YouTube, it will be flipped around the right way. Or if they don't flip it, that means we're driving in America, not Australia. Yeah.
What?
Let's wait and see. So what did we eat tonight?
We ate this.
Before that, what did we eat? McDonald's, but you haven't eaten yours yet, have you?
I only have my hot chocolate. Oh,
Hot chocolate and the fries.
No, not the fries. The chicken nuggets.
Oh, chicken nuggets.
I said because I thought it was obvious for you to know. And I couldn't help it, and that's fine.
Yes.
I always do that.
Okay. So.
Are we going?
We are going. Oh, look at that. There's the movie theatre.
Oh, yeah. We can watch Despicable Me 3.
Despicable Me 3. Oh, look, there's Woolworths. And we're passing lots of shops at the moment.
And there's KFC over there.
Yeah, we're heading towards KFC right now.
Are we actually?
Yeah, look, it's just over there.
Cool.
Yep.
I hope there's not a big line. Should we go there now?
No. We've spent enough money.
Aww.
Maybe you can have one tomorrow if we go through the drive-through after church. What?
Sunday school?
It's school holidays. We don't do Sunday school on school holidays.
Oh yeah, I heard you say church, but Sunday
Church.
school is
Yes. We're going to do meetings.
Are we going now?
Are we going home? Sure. Let's turn off all the lights because we can't drive with the lights on. And let's see how the video turns out once we get home. You got your seatbelt on, Tweets?
Nope.
You have to put it on.
No.
Can't go until you put it on.
No. This time I'm going to say this special.
Oh, hang on. Got to turn that light on. Okie dokie.
Well, I don't really like this seat because it pushed me.
Oh, okay.
And it hurt my 2 toes. Ben! It
What?
mostly hurt my 4th toe.
Yeah.
Ben!
Actually, the video is quite dark now.
I could turn my torchlight on.
The torchlight, okay. Do like a Halloween scary face.
Oh, I just reached it. That's how far it is.
Ben!
Was that 25%, but okay.
There's a bit of light now and then with the street lights. And
I
the cars.
turned my phone off, and I didn't know it would work when you turn your phone. My torch, but with the flashlight, it doesn't work when you turn it on. It's an actual app. Big. Can't wait to see my face. Big.
Hey, Tweets.
Yeah.
You should install the Speedo app on your phone.
What is that?
It shows how fast you're going. So because we're in the car, say that we're going about 60 right now.
Yeah.
And then when I'm recording a video like now, you could put it in front of the camera,
Big.
so everyone can see how fast we're going.
I thought you meant like the Speedo app, Speedo underwear.
Well, you know, it's a bit unfortunate that it's got the same name.
All our faces are red and orange. Look,
Why is that?
because there's a red light and there's a torch light.
Ah. So when the traffic lights turn green, our faces will turn green as well.
So there's a red and green one.
There is red and green.
The red one is stronger versus more red one.
If there wasn't a car in front of me, my face would be white right now. Okay, am I green? Do I look green?
No, you don't.
I'm going to pass another green light. Hang on. Do I look green right now?
You look the yellow.
Yellow. This is orange.
Look, there's 4 green ones. Big.
John does a lot of editing of his videos before he uploads.
Like music.
Yeah.
That's the number one thing.
So I don't bother editing. I just upload straight away.
Can't see me.
Unless of course somebody does something that you can't show on YouTube, like
Show
a big,
butts.
no, yeah, well, yeah, it's that and poo. You can't show poo on YouTube.
So they put a sentence on.
That's right. You can't have poo tube.
Oh, I remember my favorite. When I was little, I used to love YouTube. Very funny thing.
Yeah.
I edit.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Tell the people who are watching on this video.
No, I think I was into internet marketing when I was trying to make uploaded videos because I thought, oh, I hope people watch this, click on the link and spend money so I can make money. Yeah, so well.
Let's see how much views or subscribers are on your channel now.
Well, I don't really care about that.
I
I just like somewhere to